What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Nilight, and we're taking a look at the really awesome Nilight E1 H11 LED headlights. These things are 350% brighter than the competition, and get this, these things are a nice cool white which allow you to make your car look a little bit more modern and at the same time allow you to see a lot more at night. And let me tell you, they are very, very bright. It actually kind of feels like you have your high beams on at night, but you don't. That's how bright these are. And since literally everyone out there nowadays has super bright headlights, why be the one person who has super dim headlights and be the one person who can't really see? Now, these things are really, really awesome. First of all, they're 6000 Kelvin xenon white, which is really cool. You also get 3450 lux per bulb. And of course, this allows for a much wider visibility, so there's a nice spread or throw on that really, really awesome headlight. You also get a really interesting enhanced beam pattern, so basically there's going to be no weird dark spots or shadowy areas, and basically that makes it so, you know, there isn't a little splotch on the ground where that's not being lit up, so you can see everything in case there's an animal on the road or something of those sorts. It's also LED. You see, most of the headlights that these are going to be replacing are, you know, normal halogen headlights. They're yellow, they're ugly, they're weak, they don't look as good, they just look really, really dated, and they're not energy efficient. These are 65% more energy efficient than your traditional headlights because they are LED, which makes it really cool. They run a little bit cooler, they use less battery power, and something to note about LED, now this isn't guaranteed, but in a lot of cases, if you leave an LED light on by accident, your headlight's on, and then lock the car and leave, it's not going to drain your battery as quickly as a traditional halogen headlight will. Most likely, you'll end up having to get a battery jumper or something of those sorts if that happens on a traditional pair of headlights. So, you know, it's not a guarantee, but LED is more efficient. That's just a blunt fact. Now, they do still run hot, so of course they do need a fan, but the fan itself is built into the headlights themselves, which is really, really cool. It has a completely silent cooling fan that spins at around 10,000 RPM and makes sure the heat is dissipating away from the headlight bulbs itself, making sure they last a nice long time. All in all, I give these a nice solid 10 out of 10. They make my car look way more modern. They allow me to see at night, and you know, you can never skimp out on safety, but it's not really skimping out because these come at a pretty solid price as well. Check out the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.